Okay, so now in this video we will be adding chasing to our guard AI. For that, open up the guard script and right after the walk method, create another method by the name of chase player. And in this, what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a vector 3 by the name of direction to player. And in this, we're gonna set the direction towards the player. So first of all, we will use the player position from the guard position. We're gonna measure that and normalize it. Once we measure that, then we're gonna move our guard. So we want to move it towards the direction to player, multiply that by the current moving speed and make it time dependent. So time dot delta time. Alright, then let's move it using the character controller. So character controller dot move, pass the move vector to it. That's it. So right here we calculate the direction towards the player, then we set up that direction and move the player, and then right here we actually move the player using the character controller. Then the same thing which we did right here is we calculate the direction to look at the player without changing the y-axis, because we don't want the player to look like I don't want the player to rotate fully towards the player if the player is really close. So for that I'm gonna just copy these two lines, okay, and paste it right here. Then for the animations I'm gonna use this, so copy and paste that, and this time set run to true and set the other two to false. And this is all you have to do for chasing player. Okay, now drag and drop, actually copy and paste that method name right here, add a semicolon and save the game. Alright, and before going back, let's check line 125 right here. We forgot to change this from direction to waypoint to direction to player. Okay, because this time we are chasing the player and we are not walking in the waypoint. Then if you play the game, the character will be walking if his alerted is true. Now as you can see, the character is chasing us, okay, but the movement speed is a little bit slow, so we can increase it to, let's just say 6. Okay, there it is. This is the character right here. Okay, the character is not chasing us because we were in the shooting radius. For example, if you get in shooting radius, as you can see, the character keeps running, because now the character don't know that when we are in shooting radius what should I do, so that's why the character is doing that. But don't worry, once we add the shooting mechanics, these things will be just fixed and it will look really good. But right now, as you can see, the character can chase us. If we run from the character chases. Okay, as you can see. You can also increase the running speed to whatever value you like, and the character will just chase you everywhere you go. As you can see, when we are in shooting radius, the character then just simply stops. Alright, so now chasing works perfectly fine, and when is alerted is false, as you can see, the character just gets back to the waypoint walking. Okay. And now in the next video, what we want to do is we want to add shooting to this guard AI, okay? As you can see, the characters start walking in waypoints again. Okay, as you can see. So it means that the walking and chasing is working perfectly fine, and with this done I will see you guys in the next one.